Are you facing this problem while uploading photos on Instagram? I know you want to upload full-size photo. So hey there, this is Tia and I'll give you a solution for this. So let's dive into our tutorial. Download and install this app, you will get the link in description. Now open the app. And tap on this edit button. Now select the image you want to upload in full size on Instagram. Now tap on this icon for white bars. Here you can apply filters to your photo. You can change white bars color. You can add blur to your photo. I'm just using white bars. After doing all your edits, tap on this share button. Now tap on this download icon. Now open Instagram and upload that full size photo. Like and subscribe for more such videos and I will catch you in the next one.